Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the board and your tools so the sticker process goes smoothly. First, clean each key thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Compressed air helps dislodge dust. Once done, verify if your keycaps are removable. Cherry, OEM, or integrated laptop keys require different approaches, so use a keycap puller when safe. Lay out stickers, scissors, tweezers, and a small tray for loose parts. Now that the area is sterile and organized, you can begin precise sticker placement. You focus on precise application to ensure longevity and usability. Start by test fitting each sticker to confirm size and orientation before removing backing. This prevents mistakes. Peel slowly, hold by an edge with tweezers, and position the sticker at the key center. Use a ruler or straight edge for consistent rows. Once aligned, press from the center outward to expel any air and reduce bubbles. If the sticker overhangs, trim tiny amounts. Make sure legends remain readable and switches operate freely. You complete the job by protecting and testing your work. After all stickers are applied, consider a thin adhesive laminate or a light coat of clear polish to improve wear resistance. Let it cure fully before typing. Reinstall any removed keycaps gently, checking key travel and actuation as you go. If a sticker lifts or misaligns, heat it briefly with a hairdryer, press down firmly, and trim if needed. If problems persist, remove and replace the sticker using stronger adhesive. This resolves most adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.